Hello everyone, welcome to RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024. Today we're going to explore the topic useful garden and backyard ideas. Garden benches and wooden arches. A beautiful and functional garden not only provides a relaxing space, but also serves as an ideal venue for family gatherings and friendly get-togethers. Let's discover how to make your garden special with stunning garden benches and wooden arches. Benefits of having garden benches. Creating a relaxation space. Garden benches are perfect for resting, reading a book, or simply enjoying the garden view. Enhancing aesthetics. Beautifully designed benches enhance the garden's appearance and create attractive focal points. Variety of styles. There are many different styles and materials for garden benches, from classic to modern, suitable for all garden themes. Popular types of garden benches. Wooden benches. Made from natural wood, they bring warmth and an eco-friendly touch to the garden. Metal benches. Durable and easy to maintain, often featuring sleek and modern designs. Combination benches. A blend of wood and metal creates a balance between classic beauty and durability. Design ideas and uses for wooden arches. Creating shaded walkways. Wooden arches covered with climbing plants like roses, wisteria, or grapes create beautiful and cool pathways. Romantic resting areas. Placing a bench under a wooden arch creates a romantic and private relaxation spot. Dividing spaces. Wooden arches can be used to divide different areas in the garden, providing a soft and elegant separation. Tips for maintaining garden benches and wooden arches. Protecting wood surfaces. Use paint or protective oils to keep the wood safe from pests and weather damage. Regular inspections. Ensure to check and maintain the structures regularly to keep benches and arches in good condition. Choosing appropriate plants. Select suitable climbing plants that won't damage the wooden structures. With the ideas and tips we've shared, we hope you can transform your garden and backyard into a beautiful and useful space. Garden benches and wooden arches not only enhance aesthetics, but also create wonderful relaxation spots for you and your family. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to not miss any exciting content. See you in the next video.